Over land and sea, the men and women who make up the United States Armed Forces defend our country and our freedoms. This is no easy task. Their service takes courage, grit, and often sacrifice. More than 3.8 million American military veterans return home from war and their military service with life-changing mental and physical disabilities. These veterans fought for their belief in our country, our government, and our American values. Then they come home, and many are often forced to learn how to fight for themselves. These veterans who have suffered intense trauma are thrown into a confusing system that is difficult to navigate. Many veterans are mired down in a bureaucracy that often misrepresents them. The result? Hundreds of thousands of veterans are denied their disability benefits, with as many as 70% left without legal representation. So, on top of transitioning into civilian life and dealing with serious health issues, many veterans must now tackle the complex challenge of how to legally pursue the disability benefits promised to them. This leaves veterans and their families frustrated and helpless. We are the National Veterans Legal Services Program, and we are committed to ensuring that the government delivers the benefits to which our nation's veterans and active duty personnel are entitled because of their service to our country. At NVLSP, our attorneys work closely with veterans. We scour over paperwork to build a case that is sure to win. This sometimes takes years that are necessary to ensure justice. NVLSP understands that each case is different, and some require specific strategies and training to make the most impact. At NVLSP, we can change lives. We do not stop at the veteran. Disability brings a host of challenges to those closest to them, their family members. NVLSP not only represents individual veterans and their families, we also work tirelessly to untangle larger obstacles that prevent these veterans from receiving their disability benefits. To address these obstacles, NVLSP uses two principal strategies. We initiate class actions and other law reform litigation, and we pursue collaborative partnerships and training. As a direct result of NVLSP's class actions, veterans represented will have received more than $6.5 billion in retroactive disability benefits by 2018. We work with our partners to assist veterans and their families, referring hundreds of cases annually to our pro bono network of 100 law firms and corporate law departments around the world. Each year, NVLSP itself directly represents hundreds of veterans on their claims for benefits. We screen for possible appeals on over 4,000 decisions denying disability benefits to veterans, and we prevail in over 90% of appeals we bring before the Court of Appeals for veteran claims. Our treatise on veterans law is the premier resource for lawyers nationwide. We also actively support legislation to ensure change in the federal system that is failing our veterans. This all-encompassing approach to education, representation, and legislation makes us stronger and more effective in the pursuit of justice for our veterans. Our mission isn't just about helping a veteran get a disability check in the mail. It's about giving back to our veterans and their families for their service and sacrifice to our nation. It's about upholding American valor. Our veterans fought for our country, and now it is our turn to fight for them. When we help our veterans, we are helping our families and our communities, enabling us all to appreciate a brighter future together. We can't do this alone. We need your help to support those who have given so much to our nation.